Okay, here we are. We got the frame outside. We just did a little wash job on it. The rest of the steering mechanisms just came. Our center link, our tie rod ends are all here now. They're on. Right now, we just opened the door to let some air in on the paint from the firewall. We just painted the firewall. Let's take a little walk in and check it out. Oh man, that's a beautiful color. Oh man, that blue purple pearl is very purple. I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but it's blue. But man, you really see that purple to it. That is a sweet firewall. Oh, I love it. Let's take a little walk around. Oh man. I'm gonna let it get good and hard, give it about a day, and I'm gonna run a little glaze and buffer across it. Give it a nice textured look. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, let's get this thing ready. Get the frame underneath it. Gas tank's in. The rubber straps are in. The rubber gaskets are on it now. Gas tank's in permanently. It's all rubberized coated. Alright. Pretty well done for the day. You can only do now is let it dry. We're out of here. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Pretty. And we're out.